who's running this wonderful show today, for letting us do this. I'd also like to introduce Amy. Amy and Mum Tracy actually are two very, very special people. Amy has come to us from Gravesend via Wolverhampton. She is a sign language specialist, so she'll be signing in parallel with today's talk, giving her time completely for free. One other sort of piece of information for you before we get going. This is a free reading, but it's for a charity called the Brunhilfer Foundation. This is a charity I set up in memory of my father. Long story short, my father had brain cancer, he had radiotherapy, and it left him believing we lived with two community-spirited bears who went with us everywhere doing good works. My father's asked me to do one thing for him, and that was when the time came to look after his bears. So the time came in April 2014, and what I did is I set up a foundation called the Brunhilfer Foundation. Its name deriving from the name of the bears, Brunhilfer and Brunfin. I then wrote this book. This book is a children's book detailing the adventure of two kindly bears who live with a kindly family who do good works in the community. All proceeds go to charity. We've been going a year. We've given £3,000 to Great Ormond Street. We also support animal welfare with emphasis on bears and community projects. So afterwards, if you have interest, naturally I'm selling them, and we can do pictures and so on and so forth. So that's the background. Let's get into it. Who here likes bears? Do you like bears? Raise your hands if you like bears. Yes? I am looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 volunteers. 5 volunteers. Number 1, you're on. Give her a warm round of applause. Come on. You are number 1. All right, number 1. Doesn't she look a picture? Who's going to be number 2? Number 2. We need a number 2. I can come to you as well. You look like a number 2. Our second. How about, she looks great, doesn't she? There we go, number 2. Oh, that's right. There we go. You were volunteered, I think. Grandad? Yes. Well, Grandad, she's not keen, but you're on. There we go. Let's hear it for Grandad. Nearly there. We'll do some reading in a minute. Number 4. Someone from this side. Well, and we got 2 here. I've got 2 after. Wonderful. Give it up. There we go. And 2 more. 1 here. There we go. All right. There was 1 more. So we're ready to roll. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Amy and I, together with Tracy, Mirella, Max at the back, and the rest of the gang, proudly present the adventures of Brunhilfer and Brunfin. The flood. Let's have a flood noise. Can we do a flood noise? Let's hear your flood noise. Come on. Way, very good. So, some said they came from Russia. Others said Canada, or definitely North America. There were even those who thought they were from Germany because of their names. But whether they were from Russia, or North America, or Canada, or Germany, or even somewhere else, there were 2 things that everyone agreed upon. Brunfin and Brunhilfer were special bears, and we were all lucky they were here. They lived with a kindly couple in an ordinary house, in an ordinary road. And both the bears loved them, and the kindly couple loved them too. Now Brunhilfer was the older of the 2 bears. He was the stronger of the 2, and the obvious leader. I know. But he also knew that he was strong and a leader for a reason. And this also helped explain his name. Brun meant brown and referred to his shiny coat, like your hat. Hilfer meant helper, and there was nothing that this brown helper liked to do more than to help and make people happy. So what did they do? Well, he loved to help the kindly lady around the house when she went shopping, or to keep Grandmother Fox from taking the washing. Both he and his younger brother Brunfin were always sorry when they spread their dirty paw prints inside the house. But luckily, the kindly lady never stayed angry for long. Do you spread your dirty paw prints inside the house? No, I didn't think so. Now, that wasn't everything they loved to do. Brunfin and Brunhilfer also loved to go on outings with the kindly man. And what made these outings exciting was that, as the kindly man liked to say, every day there's something new. Everyone say that with me. Every day there's something new. The kindly man would take them to the local leisure centre. Here, they would read together. What else would they do? They'd play bocce together, even if strong Brunhilfer was a little too enthusiastic at times. Now, how strong are you feeling? You feeling strong? All right. Well, you know what else they'd do at the leisure centre? They'd mix with the other people, and they love body pump. Let's do our body pump. Can we do our body pump? Let's see those muscles. Go on. Yeah. But of course, Brunhilfer needed heavier weights than everyone else. But that wasn't everything they loved to do together. No. They loved to sing and dance and bring everyone together. Who likes to sing and dance here? Yay! All right. Going to the leisure centre also meant they could see their friend Eric, who worked on security. He took his job very seriously and asked everyone, "Can I help you?" Can you do that with me, deep voice? "Can I help you? I help you. Can I help you?" What does Eric say? "Can I help you?" That's right. Now the kindly man would take the bears to the Senior Citizen Centre. That's right, go Bears! Here Brunhilfer would cook for everyone, take part in the quiz, and relax a little too. Then there was the Arts Centre. Look at that, playing the piano, the bare necessities. Little joke from the parents there. Here they would mix with students and actors, and on Tuesday afternoons, the brothers would lead everyone in song around the piano. And this is very important, boys and girls, this next one. Very, very important message. You see, while Brunfin and Brunhilfer were part of the community, they never forgot they were bears too. So once a week, Karen the keeper from the zoo would collect Brunhilfer, Brunfin, and Eric, of course. Do we remember what Eric said? "Can I help you?" Come on, everyone. "Can I help you?" And in her green truck, she would take them to meet with other bears. And in the evening, she would bring the bears safely back home. Now there was one night, there always is, one night when Karen was bringing the bears back home, and it was raining hard. You're right. How was it? Oh, it's harder than that. I can't hear you. I've never seen it rain so hard in all the years I've worked at the zoo, said Karen. And Karen had worked at the zoo many, many years. Everyone, every day something new. After me, every day something new, said the kindly man looking out the window. Now, boys and girls, mums and dads, throughout the night, it rained and rained. What did it do? And the following day, and throughout the week too, the people and the animals in the community were scared, but Brunhilfer knew what he had to do. I need a volunteer, sir. Yes, that's it. Lucky number one. One more round of applause, please. What's your name? Where'd you come, Harry? This is Harry from Harry from Toddler. Harry, you're on.
He ensured that older people were safe and secure and had food. And the animals too. He and Brunfin brought them 2 by 2 to the kindly couple's house. Here they were kept warm with stories and stews.
Thank you. Grandad, you're on. Oh, good. Nice loud voice.
It rained and rained, and they worked and worked. And no one was left behind, including Runnar the fox.
Very good. Yes, sir. Yes, give him a warm round of applause. Neil, welcome aboard. Thank you. So Neil, what happened when everyone was inside?
And when everyone was inside, they sang and danced and played and laughed, but were careful with their dirty paws. Finally, the rain stopped, and in the morning, Karen came and made sure all the animals got home safe.
Thank you. You're off. The pièce de resistance.
Brunhilfer was a hero, a local celebrity, and invited the Brunfins to meet the Queen. What's your secret? Her Majesty asked. It didn't take Brunhilfer a moment to respond. Do your best in all you do. If you start something, see it through. And if you have a dream, stick to it like glue. And all the time remember and be excited that every day there's something new.
Let's read that last bit together. Children?
Ready?
Parents?
Do your best in all you do. If you start something, see it through. And if you have a dream, stick to it like glue. And all the time remember and be excited that every day is something new.
Ladies and gentlemen, our cast, give it up for our Thank you very much indeed. I hope you enjoyed this story. Another one is imminent. For now, we have copies of the book. We'd be happy to sell them, sign them, take photos with the children. Just say hello. Thank you. As I said, it's a charity project. And once again, a sincere thanks to Amy, to Tracy, to Morella, to Max, to Matt. Yeah, this would be Laura's husband. I was thinking Laura, Matt's husband. And a very special thank you to the children and you for coming. Thank you very much indeed.